Hey, I'm Roland, and we're here at IFA 2024, and we have a very special phone right here in front of me. It's the Doogie V Flip Pro. That's a device that you will likely also be able to buy in Europe or in Western markets, but it's for a very special market. This is for North Korea. Yep, North Korea. I asked like 5 times. They're saying it's for North Korea. This is why this device only has a MediaTek Helio G99 in it. That's the chip that you know from a bunch of tablets. It is a 4G only chip. North Korea doesn't have a 5G network. That's why we have this new, just about to launch, foldable smartphone with a 2.5K plastic AMOLED foldable screen. Otherwise, 100 megapixel AI camera, at least that's what they're saying. An outside screen that seems to also be an OLED panel. And all that other fancy stuff, metal frame and everything, nice, what looks like glass back, but running a 4G chipset because it's for North Korea. I couldn't believe it myself, but there's proof for that because on here on the back, I don't know which way around I have to hold this. I'm sorry. This is Korean, and it is supposedly the branding for the state-owned operator for North Korea. I looked that up and make sure that's true. But this is actual branding for the North Korean market, with which Doogie is saying they're trying to woo the Northern Korean company to actually order the device. So other than that, looks like a sturdy, nice little foldable, basically just like any other cheap or rather cheap Chinese flip foldable phone. Corners around the screen aren't the thickest. It has a nice metal build. It feels kind of a bit cheaper than Samsung would feel. It does look a lot like Samsung. They even took, I think that's a Samsung background right here. But it feels nice, looks nice, works like any other device like this. I don't know anything about the battery size. That's one thing that's missing. Also, I don't know anything about the specs regarding flash memory and everything, but I'll try and look that up. My guess would be it's got 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of flash. The spec here is, again, as I said, 100 megapixel AI camera. That's what they're calling it. And over here is one of those joke cameras. It's one of those macro, whatever, useless depth sensor cameras. That probably only has like 2 megapixels. On the back, there's also this nice, specially formed cutout with this UI that you can use. There's only a bunch of apps available back here, so you have notifications that come in from the top. You're moving back and forth through the interface with these touch gestures, and you're only going to have the phone app, the camera app, the music player, and such available on the back. As you can see, hey, that's me right there. I'll take a picture, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Look me in the eyes. Again, just slide and you're back. And yeah, that's it. On the bottom, you get a USB Type-C for it. We have the nano SIM card slot. On the sides, power button with fingerprint reader integrated. Volume rocker right there. And nothing on the other side. And that's pretty much it. You probably get also speakers. There's a speaker down here. There's a speaker up here. And that's the front camera. All right. Yeah, that's been a very quick look at this Doogie V Flip Pro in this case, in a 4G variant that supposedly is, according to what they're saying and what's written on the back here, on the hinge for North Korea. See ya.